course not.
Wings that flap, but you won't find them up there in the sky.
Try, they're not to fly harder.
Gravity they don't defy, they'll never soar, won't even try. Have you heard? About the flightless bird? With wings that flap, they've been supplied, but after them things went awry. Well, have you heard? About the flightless bird? They're quite content, they're on the ground. To see them, don't look up, look down.
Ostrich, kiwi, penguin,
They all can't fly.
That's a bully thing in reverse.
Penguin swimmer, it's all frozen for flying, they've not been chosen. Ostriches are fast as lightning. Do they fly?
Who was too frightening?
See the emu from Australia and the great New Zealand kiwi.
Some birds were born to fly, but I just gotta be me.
we won't fly, we won't frown. We'll be right here all around. Gravity we won't defy, we'll never soar, won't even try.
Have you heard? About the flightless bird? With wings that flap, they've been supplied, but after them things went awry. Well, have you heard? About the flightless bird? They're quite content, they're on the ground. To see them, don't look up, look down.
Ostrich, kiwi, penguin, emu.
So what if we can't fly?
Neither can you.